Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're tackling one of baking's most fundamental questions, butter or oil. It seems simple, but these two fats behave very differently. Understanding their unique properties is key to baking success. Let's break it down. Butter is a baking superstar for many reasons. It's solid at room temperature, which is crucial for structure. It's also packed with flavor. That rich, creamy taste is hard to replicate. When you cream butter with sugar, you incorporate air. This aeration is vital for leavening in many recipes like cookies and cakes. Butter melts in layers, creating flakiness. Think of perfect pie crusts and tender scones. Oil, on the other hand, is liquid at room temperature. This difference has a big impact. Oil coats flour proteins more thoroughly than butter. This prevents gluten development, resulting in incredibly tender baked goods. It also adds moisture. Cakes and muffins made with oil often stay moist longer than those made with butter. Oil doesn't contribute much flavor itself. This can be a good thing if you want other ingredients to shine. Let's look at some examples. For flaky pastries or crisp cookies, butter is usually the winner. Its solid state and melting properties are essential. Cakes and muffins often benefit from oil. They tend to be more tender and moist. Some recipes, like pound cake, rely on the creaming method with butter for structure and lift. Substituting oil completely wouldn't work well here. Quick breads and some cakes can use either depending on the desired texture and flavor. Can you swap them out? Sometimes yes, but it's not always a direct one-to-one swap. Because oil is 100% fat and butter is about 80% fat, plus water and milk solids, you generally use slightly less oil than butter. A common ratio is about 3/4 cup of oil for every cup of butter. Remember, you'll lose the flavor and the creaming ability of butter. This will change the texture and rise of your bake. For recipes where butter is melted, substituting oil is often easier. Think brownies or some quick breads. There are times when butter is non-negotiable. Recipes relying on creaming for lift, like classic butter cakes or sugar cookies, need butter. Pastries requiring flakiness, like croissants or puff pastry, depend entirely on butter's solid state and melting point. Oil won't give you that layered texture. Shortbread is another example. Its crumbly texture comes from butter's unique properties. Ultimately, the choice between butter and oil depends on the desired outcome. Do you want flavor and structure? Choose butter. Do you want maximum tenderness and moisture? Oil might be better. Many recipes use a combination of both fats to get the best of both worlds. Experiment in your own kitchen. Understanding how each fat works will make you a more confident and successful baker. Happy baking!